Where the hell are they? Hey, I think you're Max, right? Are you the one who wanted to meet me here?
Yes, I need to ask you something important.
Make it quick. I'm already soaked like a dog.
Do you have a crush on Sarah on classroom 2?
What kind of question is that? Why would I even tell you?
So, you can say yes.
And what if it is? Do you have a problem?
Problem? More like an opportunity. She's mine. You can't take her away from me. I should find Sarah. I think she's near the plaza.
Hey Max, good to see you.
Good morning, Sarah.
I have a question. Have you heard that Liam went missing? He was reported last night when he didn't make it back home.
No. But why would you even care?
Well, he wasn't like my friend or anything, but he was a nice guy. It'll be a shame if something bad happened to him.
Oh, I just remembered. I have some paperwork to take care of. Bye, Sarah.
Bye Max. See you at lunch.
Everyone, sit down. This is an emergency meeting. Liam Reynolds was reported missing last night. He didn't return home after school yesterday. Has anyone seen him or heard anything? We need to take this situation seriously. Miles, you're on posters. Design, print, and hang them around the school. Don't skip the hallways or side stairwells.
Understood.
Naomi, go talk to the teachers who had Liam yesterday. Check if he left early or acted strange.
Will do.
Olivia, check the club and student list. See if Liam skipped anything lately.
I'll head there right away.
Castiel, check the security camera logs.
I'll check everything.
Evelyn, find out what people are saying, but don't spread panic. If anyone claims they saw something, I want names.
I'll try to ask everyone.
Max, ask Liam's friends if they have any information about his whereabouts.
Yes, ma'am. I will. I hope they know nothing. Hey, do you have any information about Liam?
Not really. He said we'd walk home together after school, but he didn't show up. I thought he left early. That's all I know.
Thanks for telling me. Have a good day.
No problem, Max.
Okay, only Ethan and Lucas are left. I don't think that this belongs in the trash. Hey, did you notice anything unusual about Liam yesterday?
Well, I don't know. Maybe he was acting a bit weird. But I gotta admit, he's always been a weird one. Other than that, I've got nothing else to say.
Okay, thanks. Hey, do you know what happened to Liam?
Sadly not, but I have some information that might be useful to you. So yesterday, we were inside school because it was raining heavily, and we were just talking about the usual stuff. And that's when he looked at his watch and said he had to go. He stepped outside into the rain and headed towards the incinerator. I don't know anything else. Am I a suspect?
No, you're not. But that was very helpful. Thanks.
No problem. I hope he's okay.
I should go to class right now.
They're starting to notice. I need to stay careful.
Here's Max.
Okay, everyone's here. Let's begin. Miles, did you complete your task?
Yes, all the missing posters are up. I think everyone will know now that Liam went missing.
Great work. Naomi?
I spoke with William's teachers. Nobody saw anything unusual. He was in every class on time, and he even tried to leave early once.
Olivia?
Turns out, Liam was never in a club before. He always walked straight home after school. And about the reports, I also found nothing. Liam was never a bad student.
Castiel, what about cameras?
Strangely, the only footage we have is of Liam entering the front gate yesterday morning. There's nothing showing him leaving.
That's useful. Thank you.
Well, it doesn't disprove he disappeared in school. The cameras have blind spots. He could have slipped out.
Naomi, you're right. I'm not sure what to make of that. Evelyn, please tell me you found something.
I'm sorry, but I came up empty. I asked around, but no one saw or heard anything.
This is going nowhere. Ugh, Max, I guess you'll just stay silent since Evelyn found nothing.
Actually, someone said Liam went toward the incinerator.
The incinerator? That's serious. Good work, Max. Marlon, what do you think?
This doesn't feel right.
It was raining yesterday. No student would go out there without a reason. Unless Liam was trying to meet up with someone.
Wait, you think it could have been a setup? Like a kidnapping?
I can't decide. He was only headed in that direction. For all we know, Liam could have turned back or sneaked out of school.
This case keeps getting more complicated. I just hope the police can find him soon. All right, meeting is over. Everyone is free to leave.
I should check up on Sarah. She should be on the rooftop.
It's weird. Liam's phone isn't working either. I just tried to call him a few minutes ago.
If he was just a nice guy, why do you care so much about him?
Oh, Max, come on. I'm just worried about him. He was someone I knew, and it would be sad if a person like him just disappeared forever. Max, I'm just worried. That's all.
Are you sure that you didn't feel anything towards him? You can tell me. I'm your friend.
Max, Sorry, Max, but I have to go.
I didn't expect Liam's disappearance to cause this much chaos. I thought people would just assume he ran away or something. But the way Sarah looked at me, the way the teacher questioned me, if I ever have to do this again, it has to look like an accident. Only then, she will truly be safe with me.